These are 15 cruise hacks that the cruise lines do not want you to know. These secret tips will save you money, avoid scams, and help you make the most of your cruise. We even reveal one major scam that happens right on the ship. Number 1. Never prepay gratuities, unless you know this. Why? It seems nice to get it out of the way, but prepaying gratuities on a cruise is actually risky. You lose the ability to adjust based on service levels, and you could end up stuck paying for bad service. Smart move: do not prepay your tips when booking your cruise. Instead, adjust your tips later in the cruise. Stop by guest services and talk to an agent. They can easily change your daily tips. Even better, the crew is often more attentive if they know that your tip isn't already prepaid and locked in. 2. Always bring a power strip, but not just any one. The problem: outlets in cruise cabins are limited and often poorly placed. No need to buy expensive surge protectors. The solution: bring a small non-surge protected cruise-approved power strip or a basic USB hub. Why? The cruise line confiscates surge protectors. Trying to sneak one on board could cause a serious problem. 3. Drink packages are a trap. Do the math. The cost: between $60 and $100 per person per day. And here's the killer: everyone in your cabin must also purchase the package. The reality check: will you really be drinking 6 to 10 cocktails per day at sea? What about those days at port? Hack: drink packages can seem like a good deal if you plan to indulge daily. So buy early, take advantage of cruise planner drink package sales. Or you can skip the package and pay per drink. Often that's much cheaper. Here's a bonus hack. Look for promotions like buy 3, get 3 free or similar offers. 4. Avoid the cheapest interior cabin, unless you know this. The problem: interior cabins are the most affordable option, but not all equally. Some are noisy, cramped, or poorly located. The solution: midship is best. Avoid decks below or above busy venues like nightclubs, bars, and gyms. Also, watch out for oddly shaped or smaller cabins. They might be secretly less costly because of layout issues. Number 5. Skip the buffet on embarkation day. Why? It's crowded, loud, and the food has been sitting out for hours. Hack: head to a main dining room or specialty venue instead. They're often open but less known. As a bonus, it's a great way to start your cruise with a sit-down, less hectic meal. 6. Always eat off-peak. When not between 6:30 and 7:30 p.m., that's peak chaos time. Instead, aim for dinner at 5:30 p.m. or after 8 p.m. Early breakfast is also best. Get hot, fresh food and no lines. 7. Find the secret free dining spots. Most cruisers miss out on these hidden gems. Why? They're usually not advertised widely by the cruise line. Sit-down breakfast in the main dining room, pizza, pasta, omelet, or deli stations. Free room service breakfast too, even if it's just coffee and a croissant. Tip: ask the crew where to find them and explore. There are often other surprises waiting. 8. Cover your peephole. Why? On some ships, peepholes can be reversed under the right lighting. The solution: use a sticky note, a band-aid, or a $1 peephole cover. Reason: privacy and peace of mind. 9. Cruise line photography scams. The scam: cruise photographers snap your picture and then later try to sell it back to you for $30+. The images are often blurry or awkward. Smart tip: bring your phone. Take your own photos at the same iconic spots. Use portrait mode. Ask fellow guests or crew to help. It's free, fun, and better. 10. The daily drink special trap. The scam: drink of the day sounds like a deal. It's usually made with bottom shelf booze and sugary mixers. Smart tip: skip the gimmick. Ask for a strong, quality drink that's covered by your drink package. Think mojito, whiskey sour, or espresso martini. Number 11. GG tag fail. The scam: poorly attached paper luggage tags rip off, sending your suitcases into cruise limbo. Smart tip: use a reusable plastic tag holder. They're inexpensive and keep your tags safe from rough handling. 12 disembark last for secret perks. The scam, everyone rushes to get off the ship. It's chaotic and stressful. Smart tip: stay on board a little longer if you don't have an early flight. Enjoy coffee, skip the lines, and stroll off in peace. Your luggage will be easier to find, too. 13. Your cabin isn't fully private. The scam: you think your cabin is totally private, but it's not. Security can enter anytime for safety, complaints, or random checks. Smart tip: don't bring anything questionable on board. Treat your cabin like a hotel room, not a fortress. Security is just doing their job. 14. Cruise lines secretly track you. The scam: your cruise card or wristband tracks where you go, what you buy, and how you spend time on board. Smart tip: use it to your advantage. Keep track of kids or group members. Verify your activity if needed. And enjoy location features in cruise apps. 15. That exclusive digital photo upsell. The scam: want your photo digitally? That's another upsell. It's often an absurd price for low-quality images. Smart tip: skip it, take your own pictures. They're instant, editable, and 100% free. Now that you know the secrets, it's time to plan your next cruise. Click this video to see the top 5 cruise mistakes to avoid. Avoiding these blunders can save you big on your next cruise vacation.